Luxury reel mower or overpriced garbage? Today I'll be talking about the Allett Kensington and giving you my thoughts on the good and the bad. Welcome back, guys. So it's no secret that I like to try any and all reel mowers that I can get my hands on. I finally was able to get my hands on an Allett Kensington. I got this around January, and to be honest, I really wanted it for the Scarefire cartridge. When this got delivered, I almost thought it was a toy and going to be an easy resale. I'm just used to John Deere's and Toros and really heavy mowers, but after using it for some time, I might have changed my mind. My favorite thing with this mower by far is just the comfort of it. I really like the height of this machine. It's super lightweight. I mean, this is unlike any other mower or greens mower I've been around. It's very easy to maneuver. I was kind of concerned with the durability. I haven't been using this long, but it is totally opposite than a John Deere or Toro, so I can see why this does appeal to a lot of people. This mower does have a cartridge system, so it's pretty easy to change out cartridges. You do have to have the side cover off, however, and I found that pretty annoying, so I generally just leave it off. But here you can see me taking out the reel, and I'm putting in a Scarefire cartridge. Like I said before, I love the Scarefire, so let's see it in action. Look at all that stuff it pulled up. Here I've switched back to the reel cartridge and I wanted to test out the mowing. It handles great and is fun to mow with. Another thing I love about this mower is the independent reel clutch. So you can use the reel without the machine having to self-propel forward. So if you want to get close to something and go very slow, right here, I'm just pushing the machine. Now right here, I'm grabbing the lever and using the propel again. But to run the reel and be able to push it comes in helpful. This unit came with the Briggs, and although I'm a Honda man, I have had no problem with this newer Briggs engine, and it's really quiet, so I have no problem running it at night or in the early morning. Another super easy thing about these is just changing the height of cut on this little dial right here. Very easy to do. So again, everything about this unit to me is just very easy and user-friendly. So what do I not like about the machine? Well, I really only have one big complaint, and that's to get parts for it. If you want parts for the machine, you have to go to the Allett website and do a parts request, and that's just to even look at the price. If you want to order it, you also have to go through them, and I haven't had any bad experience. I would just prefer to be able to go somewhere if they had a list of prices and part numbers for everything. I just think it would make things a lot easier. Just another thing, and this is not Allett's fault, but for a lot of the removable heads or cartridge systems, you can just send off the cartridge. I've talked to a lot of these grinders, and they don't have a jig for it, so they still want the entire mower. So just a quick tip, if you get a Kensington. Final thoughts on this mower, I think it is a great machine. I just don't like the high price tag on them. I only have 8 hours on this machine, so I guess time will tell. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and happy mowing.